Ictaluridae are the North American catfishes. There are 8 genus within the Ictaluridae, including Amarius, the bullheads, Astaphus, which is an extinct American catfish, Ictalurus, the true catfish, Noturus, the mad toms, Prietella, the blind cats, Pylodictis, the flathead catfish, Satan, the cave catfish, and Trogloglanis, the toothless blind cat. As is the case with many North American fish, these genus of catfish are all native to the eastern United States. Amarius, Ictalurus, and Noturus are all native to the eastern United States. Noturus is notoriously found in the Mississippi River. Prietella, Satan, and Trogloglanis are all underground or cave catfish. Prietella is native to several sinkholes in Texas and Mexico. Trogloglanis is very similar. Satan, however, is a very peculiar case. The Satan catfishes, or rather catfish, was pulled up from an aquifer that was being dug in San Antonio, Texas, in the Edwards Aquifer system. Satan was very interesting because it turns out that after dissection, they found multiple pieces of the carapaces of crustaceans within their stomachs, which is very interesting because it means that there's species of crustaceans that live within these aquifer systems, which is something that has never before been discovered. Now onto a quick review of the phylogeny of these catfishes. The most basal species of catfish are the Amarius, or the bullheads, followed by Ictalurus, the North American catfish, which is then followed by Pylodictis olivaris, or the flathead catfish. After the flatheads, we have Noturus, or the mad toms. These are the most advanced species in the catfish tree, with Noturus gladiator and Noturus stigmosus being the most advanced out of all of the catfishes. Some interesting close relations are those between the flathead catfish and cave catfishes. Next, we will cover the morphological differences between the different genera of catfishes.
There are numerous differences between the genera of catfishes. To begin with, mad toms have a squared-off tail attaching slightly forward on the caudal peduncle. Amarius have squared-off tails, while Ictalurus have forked tails. The Pylodictis have a large, wide, and flat head with a squared tail. Prietella, Satan, Trogloglanis are all blind and underground. Many of them lack pigments. Body features include an elongate body shape, primitive fin condition, spines on the dorsal and pectoral fins, a large distinct head portion of the body, and a subterminal mouth. Catfish lack scales. They also have physostomous swim bladders, which features a connection between the swim bladder and the mouth used for grunting, as well as threat displays against predators and conspecifics. Another notable feature of the catfish are their 4 pairs of barbels on the head and chin. They also possess venom spines containing a light neurotoxin causing edema, potential muscle spasms, and tenderness, which are located at the base of their pectoral fins and their dorsal fin.
Catfish have an amazing sensory suite. They are often called the living taste bud. They can taste things from over 15 feet away. They have 175,000 taste buds on the outside of their body. Channel catfish can detect some amino acids at a concentration of 1 part per 100 million in water. Catfish use chemosensory to avoid predators, find prey, and spawn, particularly in the sediment-rich rivers that these catfish often inhabit. Catfish are otophysians. They can hear very well. They use their swim bladders to transmit sound waves into their inner ear. They also use their swim bladders to broadcast clicking, grunting, and bellowing noises. Ictalurids, the true catfish, have impeccable sight as well, often attacking live bait used by fishermen and fast-moving bait fish.
Catfish are a very important economic species in the United States. Channel catfish are farmed in the United States. Channel catfish are put into ponds that are 10 to 20 acres large and 4 to 6 feet deep. They're fed a diet of puffed, high-protein food pellets made from a mixture of soybeans, corn, wheat, vitamins, and minerals. A brood female lays 3,000 to 4,000 eggs per pound of her body weight. Fertilized eggs are then collected and placed in hatchery tanks, where later they turn into larvae, or sac fry. These sac fry are transferred into ponds to grow for 2 years, averaging 1 to 1.5 pounds. At this point, the fish's flesh is best for eating. They are then shipped live in tank trucks to slaughterhouses, where they are then processed and frozen at 40 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit. Catfish, especially fried catfish, is a very, very common meal here in the southeastern United States. Each American consumes roughly half a pound of catfish a year, which is a large percentage of the 15 pounds a year of seafood that Americans eat. In the year 2011, the United States processed 334 million pounds of catfish. Thank you for listening to our talk on the family Ictaluridae, the North American catfish. We hope that this talk has interested you in this very, very diverse family of fishes. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.